Hello, hi. On this channel, I talked about savings challenges, cash staffing, student loan, budgeting. So if you are new here, thank you for being part of my friends. If you haven't hit on the subscribe button, please do so and the bell beside it so that you don't miss any of my video. If you are my OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. Thanks for being here. But today's video, we're going to start the 100 envelope savings challenge that we are doing as a family to save about 20,000 plus. I'm so motivated to do this because stuff that we have to do, and I know that after I finish doing this challenge, it will save us a lot of ways to do this thing that we want to do. So keep watching. Hi, hello. This is your girl Josy. Today is Saturday, and I'm super excited to do this challenge today. I'm going to do it in a different way. All the money that I got, I'm going to put it in this envelope. I just want to be getting done for some of them because my goal is to get done in October. And it's very challenging because for me and my husband's one, we are multiplying the numbers and they are getting really big numbers. So I just want to do it in a different way that we can get this challenge done by October. So today our motivational message said, feel free. Feel free. And when you look at tomorrow's motivational message, which I don't think I'm posting a video on Sunday, it say laughter heals. So I just wanted to share both with you guys and say, feel free, laughter heals. So I was comparing both, and I feel like it was just a cool one to do. So today, let's count the money quick, then we will do the cash stuff. We have about 3 of them to do today, and it's a lot. So let's do 50 plus 1, 2, 3, that's 60. Then we have, let me straighten the money a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's also 60. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 100, 110, 120, 130, 135. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 310 going to this challenge. Let me put a calculator on the side and start with this one. So this one is for the kiddos, and this one, each side get $10. So this is how far we are today. I think we're going to do about 2 of them. So let's start with 45. The slot get $10. I'll go with 5s. So this is another way I keep on saying you can do your 100 envelope savings challenge. You can decide to put whichever amount in that. So it depends on you what you want to do. When I'm done with this, we have about $1,000. And each kid get $200 into their account. Then I also want to do one more slot. I think I'm going to finish the kids' one faster than anybody's. Okay, so that's all for my kiddos. So let's go ahead and record it here. When you buy the 100 envelope savings challenge from me, it comes with an empty tracker. So in case you want to do in a different way, you also have the option to record it. Okay, so that's just for that one. So let's see. Yeah, I can't wait to get this one done. Okay, then the next one is my envelope. Then the next one is my mom's. For my mom's, I only do 2,500 in each slot. And today we're gonna do, let's say, so 25. And when I'm done, I'll get 2,500. So this one is also another way. There's so many ways. Another 25. I recently saw the budget mom also doing the 100 envelope savings challenge. I think they are saving towards a vacation. So that was nice. I'm like, this 100 envelope savings challenge is very popular. So if you guys want to get it, you can do it like any way you want. You don't have to do the same way everybody's doing it. Anyhow you want it, you can. But if you do it like a regular numbers, then you have 5,050. If you multiply, you have 10,000 and some. So anyhow you want to do it, go for it. Go for it. So we have 25. Okay. Then let's see. I think I have a lot of money, but let me do mine first. If I still have more, I'm going to use it for the kids one. So, and I want to do one of these for mine. For mine, we are multiplying the numbers. So it's getting really challenged. So what I'm going to do so that I can finish in October for me and my husband one is that any little money I get, I'm going to put some towards this challenge because I cannot wait. Literally cannot wait. It's going to be a game changer for us if we're able to finish this. And we have about 20,000 plus. So today I'm doing 45. So 45 times 2 will be 90. So let's see, that's 71, 2, 3, 4. So that's 90. And I still have some money. I think I'll put it in the kids one. So I'm just going to put in here in this slot. Like I said, Every time I get paid, if I have extra money, I'm going to use towards the savings challenge. And at the end, I cannot wait to share with you guys what we're going to use this money for. Like I said, we have a lot of stuff coming up. And I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So I only did 45. Let me go ahead and record it. We are multiplying, me and my husband's son. And this one will be 90. So this one that is left, let me see if I can use it for my kids, because we are still on our way for the 20,000 challenge. So let's go back to the kiddos. And let's see if we can fill one more. Almost time. So 10. And this one is also 10. There we come. And another 10 is it. And this one is 10. Okay. So I'm able to do 3 of the kids one. Can't wait. Okay, so let's go ahead and make the recording here. So we did it up to 56. Okay, so that one is also done. Super excited. And look at it. So I did the kiddos on a lot of it. I can't wait to finish the rest, and I know I'm done. So that's all for today. So thanks for joining me. I'm really grateful. Remember that next week, not this tomorrow Sunday, the following Sunday, we're gonna do the live, and I'm gonna put all the announcements. So make sure you click on the bell so that you get a notification when I'm doing that. So I'm really grateful for everybody, for my OG. I love you guys so much. Bye. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful.